Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the best food to clean out your liver. Your liver is an essential organ that plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. It helps to detoxify and process toxins that enter the body through food, drinks, and air. However, over time, liver function can decline, leading to various health issues. That's why it's important to clean out your liver regularly. The best foods to help cleanse your liver are fresh fruits and vegetables, especially those that are bright green, such as spinach, kale, and cilantro. These foods are packed with powerful antioxidants that help to protect liver cells from damage. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which help to improve digestion and promote overall health. Another great food to cleanse your liver is grapefruit. This citrus fruit is packed with enzymes that help to boost the liver's natural detoxification process. It's also rich in vitamin C, which helps to improve immune function and fight off infections. Beans and legumes are also excellent for liver health. They're high in fiber, which helps to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect liver cells from damage. Finally, liver-healthy foods like nori seaweed, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, and turmeric, which is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, can also help to cleanse your liver. In conclusion, incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can help to support your liver's natural detoxification process. You should aim to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, as well as legumes, grapefruit, beans, and nori seaweed or turmeric. I hope this has been helpful, and thanks for watching.